Hi guys, welcome to Left WM. I've been working all day long, another day, right? Probably 3 or 4 days already on the candy icons, the candy beautiful icons, the beautify candy, whatever. Our look of ArcoLinux candy and beautify mashed together. So that works and looks nice on these icons, right? That's what we're talking about. Now, in Super X, we got icons, and we got plenty of icons, right? Plenty of choices. But I was working on the theme, and I saw that the icons changed a little bit, right? So we can change with it. So in essence, what I'm saying is that the topic of this video is how to create these guys, how to create such a theme, because we can choose so many themes. And I'm gonna call this one beauty, right? We have already a candy, so I'll call it beauty. It's gonna be part by default of the theme, because of the fact that, well, more or less this is becoming the default icons next to Sarti and Surfen. So I have some change, some can change around. Okay, how do you do that? Well, you go to the icons of the logout. It's an ArcoLinux logout application. So the ArcoLinux logout themes are here. These are the ArcoLinux logout themes. I want to make a new one, so candy might be a good way to start this. So Control C. I'm gonna put it already on the official one. So these are the extra themes. So I'm gonna put you where you belong already in the themes. So the default themes, one of the default themes will become candy. No, beauty, right? Black beauty, that's what comes to mind. Beauty, yeah. Now, I see already an issue because we have cancel and cancel blur and hibernate blur, and how did I do that again, right? How did I create it again? But that's an issue for later. First, we need to figure out where are these icons coming from. These icons are coming from the developer of Beautify, of Beauty Line, I think it's called. So ArcoLinux Dev, we are developing a new version of, if you want to know, I should be correct, right? So Beauty Line from Open Desktop. That's where it's coming from. All credits to the developer and all credits for us to make it work on ArcoLinux. So user share Plasma, forget about it. That's new, that we'll see later. All beautiful line, and then probably actions. Totally wrong file manager. Totally wrong file manager. Use the correct tools for the correct job. Nemo, ArcoLinux, Candy Beautify, user share icons, beauty line, actions, scalable. Is there an icon to cancel? Do I like that icon to cancel? This one, yes. Double click, file, save as. I'm gonna put you on the desktop for now. Save. Next one, hibernate. Okay. Open up, file, save as. Where is save as? Let's kill this one. Save as, desktop, hibernate. What's the next one? Lock. Lock. Clock is not the same as lock. That's true. This one. File, save as, desktop, lock. Next one. logout. We need to figure something out, or log maybe. System logout. File, a save as, desktop. Was it one word? I don't know, but it's important, right? Logout. It was one word. And then restart. How about reboot? System reboot. File, save as, file, save as, desktop, reboot. Then restart. Reboot is restart. Reboot is restart. Reboot is restart. Follow. Reboot is restart. Shutdown. System shutdown. That's a nice one. File, save as, shutdown. Got that one too. Suspend. We have the other one already, so it's going to be this one. File, save as, desktop, suspend. And last, that's it. There's a blur alt and suspend alt. Probably wanted to decide what to take there. So these are the ones next to it. Cancel, hibernate, this is a big thing. Why is this so big? Properties, image 64 by 64, and this one, properties, image 32 by 32. How much did I use here? 60 by 60, 60 by 60, 60 by 60. Okay, got it. Open with Inkscape. Let me first check. Cancel, hibernate, yes. Log, yes. Logout, yes. Restart, yes. Shutdown. We forgot shutdown. Right? Shutdown is not there. Restart. Shutdown, suspend. Shutdown. Okay. Shut down. Wrong file manager. Nemo. Shutdown. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not even close. Shutdown. Nice one. File. Up. Save as. Desktop. Shutdown SVG. All right. Now we're ready, right? Now we can go ahead with making this 60 by 60. Open with Inkscape, Super F, File, Document Properties, 60 by 60. Then getting rid of this. Oh, we can't make this bigger or what? Then we do it like this. Bye bye. All of it. needs to become a little bit bigger. Then we move it more or less to the middle. Ctrl-Shift-S. Inkscape, no. Optimized SVG, yes. Save and all kinds of things that already have been set. You want to replace it? Sure thing. Then we're gonna take lock. This can go. Close without saving. Lock. Open with Inkscape. The time and the work you put into an icon, it is really, really underestimated. And the guys of Candy and Beautify, they will agree with me. Woohoo! Way too big. Okay, Ctrl-Shift-S, optimized, save, all kinds of things. Okay, okay, replace. Bigger is better, right? Boy stock. Logout, file, document properties. Oops, where are you? There you are. This is a bit too big. Let's go to 60-60. Everything the same. Yes, I know you can group it. Another action, more work. Quick and dirty. Nothing dirty about it, by the way. Nothing dirty about it, but it should be within the alignment, the borders, that's it. Replace. Bye. No, no saving. Double click. 512. 16. 16. Got myself a helpline there. And then maybe this. Bit too small. Okay, Ctrl-Shift-S, save, okay, place, quit, no saving, shut down. It's just a few icons, but I have 3,000 or more. Thank God I don't count them. I would stop immediately. This is Ctrl-Shift, by the way. Ctrl-Shift from the center, make it bigger. Ctrl-Shift-S, save, okay, replace. Hmm. 28 now, 16, 60. So it's making all kind of sizes. These are not my icons, eh? You know that. Well, save. So these are our icons to exit. Now back to the code. So ArcoLinux, it's about logout. I want to put it in the official application already. So actually we could use an ArcoLinux logout dev, right? A dev version rather than the original one. But I do believe I've created already something in here. Themes, beauties here already, right? So straight away, not in the development, but straight away here. So if I take these guys and I say, well, actually, well, let's do a copy. Now we still have a backup. Control V, replace all. Well, replace all. Then these will be the guys. Cancel blur. Control C, Control V. Cancel underscore blur. It's always the same tactic. Yes, blur, blur, blur. Yeah, okay. So Control C, V. Hibernate underscore blur. Lock. Blur. You see, it always takes time, right? People underestimate often how much time you put into small things like these. These what ifs, they all cost time. Uh-oh. Underscore. More mistakes. Underscore. Oh my god. Now I have to remember how did I make the blur again? I have no idea how I did the blur. What's this? Okay, that one can stay. So basically our theme is finished and we can try it out. So if we type super X, which is not going to work, right, because it's not in the right folder, it's just in my where I will create a repository later from. Now the cancel blur. How did I do that? You need to remember, right, because later on there's a new icon and then you need to, I think I made a copy, Control C, Control V, put it back on there, and then I did something, blur, I don't know, 2, that's nothing. Nothing happening. Or apply. Okay. Control Z. Something is happening. All right. Apply. Okay. Control Z. Close. Maybe now it's time to move this. This is not needed. This one I'm gonna move to my second screen, and this guy I'm gonna pop. Control Z. Both of you come with me. Really? So this one, that one, that one. No. Control. No, shift it is. Shift. And still one more. And this one. Shift. Voila, now it's grouped. So let's group it. Group. And then we can move it. What did I do? Blur, double, clean edges, feather, color, distort, pixel. Got an idea. On my other screen, maybe I can still figure it out with Sweet, cancel blur. Can we see what I did? That's strange. That's better. So what did I do? Can we see that? If there were a history, maybe you could ask for the steps I did in the past. But now, it's one thing. Unless ungroup. Okay. I made that very vague. All right. Let's see if I can mimic this. So this is cancel SVG. No, this is, let's kill this thing. I need to be sure that I have cancel blur. Sorry guys, lost my my folder. Eric, you were looking in the other one. This one. That one, that's what I need. Now we try it again. It feels like I did indeed. A group is maybe necessary, easier, not necessary, easier. Control C, Control V, seems something I did. And now we need to make things more vague. Filter. Let's do a blur. Then you get this. That's a bit too much, right? But I think we've gone on the good track here. We're on a good track, maybe. Control Z. Okay, there you are. Yeah, he's still there. Control Z. So if I do a blur, blurred up. Oops. Control Z. If I do a blur, and this time I would take a 5. That's a number I would choose. Let's see what 5 is. Nah, maybe a 3. Blur. Minus. Oh, 3. 3. Also a good number. Apply. What? Don't see anything. Control Y. Yeah, that's working. What did I do wrong? Blur. Blur content only. Live preview. That's helpful. Nah, I think I like number 3. Alright, let's have a look at 2. Just for the fun. 200, yeah. Apply. 2 is already okay, yeah? So I don't want the blur to go out of the border, so it's visible that it's cut off or something, so not too far, but this looks like a blur. That might be nice. Ctrl-Shift-S. Cancel blur, check. Okay, replace, delete, close without saving. And it is visual, right? It is something you can see that it's a little bit blurred. Okay, now we figured that out. It's routine, right? Group, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, move, filter. Oh, come on, filter, blur, blur. 2 is set, don't need to do anything. Close, Ctrl-Shift-S, save, okay, replace, stop it, do not save it, do not shave it either. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, then the filter, the blur, number 2, apply, stop it, Ctrl-Shift-S, save, okay. It is boredom. But the beginning part was fun, right? Creative part was fun. Now it is repetitive strain syndrome. Group, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. Filter, blur, blur, apply, close, Ctrl-Shift-S, save, okay, place, Super Q, close without saving. So restart blur, Ctrl-A, then group, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, move it over there, filters, blur, blur, apply, close, Ctrl-Shift-S, save, okay, replace, Super Q, not saving, shutdown is there, that's the blur, Ctrl-A, Ctrl, no, don't think we need to group, already grouped, and then filter, blur, blur, apply, close, Ctrl-Shift-S. You're probably gonna scroll through this bit of the video, but hey, this is my life. This is what you need to do. And Super Q, Ctrl-Shift-S. I did save, did I? All this stock, and then Super Q, close without saving. Yep, blur, 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 checking my work. Last one, yes, finally. Ctrl-A, not grouped, group, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, move it over there, put a filter on it, blur, apply, close, Super Shift-S, save, okay, replace, Super Q, close without saving. Can I sigh? Sorry for the microphone. Can I sigh or can I sigh? All right. So this is it. I'm done. It's time to make a package for this. Simple as that. So we're gonna push it to the internet. First, quick test on the repo. So the beauty icons, boom, there they are. They go on there. As a package build, ArcoLinux logout dev. So going straight away for this guy, but I'm gonna tell him that the destination is number 4. So the test repo, and then we build this thing. And then it goes on the repo, push it to the repo, test it. Maybe we can still do that in the video. We'll see. Would be nice. Voila. That's pushed to the repo. Testing. I'll do this on another screen now. Tell you what I do. ArcoLinux repo. Repo testing. Script number 1. Pushing everything online. Script number 2. Pushing everything online. Stop. Back to your screen. Voila, voila. And Pacman. Is testing available? Yes, testing is active. Line 73, 74, 75. So no need to delete the hashtags. Update. Enter. Super X. Select Sweet. And Beauty. Where's Beauty? Beauty is not in there. Cancel. Ah, okay. ArcoLinux Candy Beauty Dev. That's something else, right? We updated something else. Why is it not updated? Update. What did we do? We've pushed. Oh, my mistake. I built. What did I do? What did I do? You'll see it later on in the video. I built totally the wrong thing. So used to building this thing. The candy thing. Did I really make that mistake? Yeah. Eric, it's too late. Go to bed. I know. Almost finished. ArcoLinux logout. This one. Destination 4. Let's do it again. And let's see. In the mean, I see already what I did. Repo testing. ArcoLinux Candy Beauty. This can go. Haha. I see what I did. I see what I did. I see what I did. So ArcoLinux logout 271 1007. Let's fix that too. So it's November. It's the 1st. Voila. Correction. Failure download them. Yeah, check. These are one of the packages that you need to make a release for. That's a decision you can make yourself, right? Do I want to download straight away? But for applications, I often do that. So an application, this is one of them. It's code. And then you have a package already online telling, okay, this at that point in time we release this code, and you can exactly find out what worked and why it will not work today and stuff like that, because you have a published release online. I have now a published release. That's something on GitHub YouTube. And it's number 11.21.11-01. That's correct. Now it only takes a few seconds for GitHub to kick in. Voila. There is the tar.gz or the zip, whatever you want to use for the build. And that's good. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. And then we're going to push this to the internet. You have to be awake the whole time. Everything matters. So deleting and getting that. Okay, looks good. We update. Let me get this first. Voila, update. No errors, yay, no errors. Then go in here, sweet, all the way up because it's alphabetically. Beauty, save settings, cancel, and Super X. All right. A little bit blurred when you move over it. I'm happy. This is a nice one, right? Button, bam, stop. You know, this is so clear. This is power down. Nice. Follow. This is how it's done. If you see icons out there, you say, oh, I can do this too. I don't know how long did the video take. 35 minutes. I mean, it seems like an hour, but it's okay, right? In 35 minutes, you've got yourself a new theme to nicely log out. All right. Cheers.